Yeah, so good evening to everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Let's join all the people. Let's join all the people. Let's join all the people. Let me know audio video okay or not. Is audio video okay? Is audio video okay? Yeah, good boss. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jersey. Thanks everyone. Yeah, let's go to today's class. It is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. Please let me know what is the answer of this. The return value of the function is. The return value of the function is. Hi, Mahesh, I remembered. Mahesh, I remembered you. How are you? How are you, Mahesh? Good, good. All the best. All the best, Jersey. All the best. Yeah. Now, can you help me? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this problem? One program is given. They are asking what the return value of the function is. What the return value of the function is. Try everyone. What is the answer of this? Return value of the function is. And one more thing is that return k is out of the for loops. It is the last one is out of the for loops. One line belongs to first for loop. One line belongs to second for loop. Yeah, can you say what is the output of this program? I want two things from all of you. What is the time complexity of this program? First thing I want. What is the output? Right, I want second one also. Time complexity, output, both required. Can anyone calculate? Can anyone calculate what is the output of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? Most probably you are going to expect this kind of question in the exam. It is the most tricky part. What is the time complexity? What is the output? Can you find out what is the answer? Everyone, whoever watching, can you say what is the time complexity of this program? What is the output of this program? Yeah, if you observe first loop, always I think it is started from n by 2, always increment by 1. N by 2, n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 2, n by 2 plus 3, and so on. N by 2 plus n by 2. So I think first loop is n by 2 times. Second loop, if you see, always multiply by 2, starting from 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power k, where k becomes log n. I think second loop is log n time. Always multiply by 2. J is equal to j into 2. J is equal to j into 2. J is initially 2. Right? First time 2, second time 2 square, next time 2 cube, next time 2 power 4, and so on 2 power k. 2 power k is equal to n. K becomes log n. So first loop is n by 2 times, second loop is log n time. First loop is n by 2 times, second loop is log n time. So remember each j value k is equal to k into n by 2. K is initially 1. Each j value k is equal to k into n by 2. So what the answer? First time k, right? First time whenever j value 2, k value, right? K is equal to k into 1 into n by 2. It will become n by 2. First time n by 2. Second time n by 2 into n by 2. Next time n by 2 into n by 2. Next time n by 2 into n by 2. So each j value into n by 2 into n by 2 into n by 2 and so on. How many times going on? How many times going on? So I think everyone know j loop is going on. J loop is going on log n time. If it's 2 time n by 2 whole square. If it is a log n time, n by 2 whole power log n. N by 2 whole power log n, that is I is equal to first time. I first time, this is the story. I second time, what will happen? Can you help me? I second time. If you see the I second time, I think same story will happen. N by 2 whole power log n. Check properly. Because every time multiplication only. Every time multiplication only. Every time multiplication. When you come second time, whatever is there into n by 2, whatever is there into n by 2, whatever is there into n by, second time over this much. Third time is over n by 2 log n. It will continue, n by 2 log n continue. How many times? Right? So if you multiply these two, over you have to add. Right? Log n plus log n, 2 log n, 3 log n, 4 log n. How many times? N by 2. N by 2 times. N by 2 whole power, n by 2 log n. N by 2 whole power, n by 2 log n. N by 2 log n. Please let me know. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Exactly. Abhishek, hats up you, man. Abhishek, hats up you, man. Hats up you. Right? So, first time is over n by 2 whole power log n. Second time is over n by 2 whole power log n. Third time is over n by 2 whole power log n. If at all 3 times, over n by 2 whole power 3 log n. If it is a 4 time, n by 2 whole power 4 log n. If it is a n by 2 log n time, n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. So this is the output. This is the output of this program. Some people are asking, sir, what is the time complexity? I think n by 2 times outer loop, inner loop is log n times. Totally, time complexity became n by 2 log n, which will become n log n. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. Right? Output is n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. N by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. That is the output. Output is n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Right? Time complexity is n log n. So now see this one. The return value of the function is, this one is equal to n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. I think no option matching. So answer is option E. So theta of n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. This is the answer. Answer is option E. If at all time complexity, answer is theta of n log n. Time complexity, right? Answer is theta of n log n. Output is n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Let me know if anyone is not getting. Reddysir, I am not getting. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Everyone. Everyone, check one time. Can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Abhishek, can I move to next problem? Time complexity is n log n. Output is n by 2 whole power n by 2 log n. Can we move to next problem? Can everyone respond? Move to next problem or not? Please respond. Can we move to next? Yeah, this is the next problem. Can you go to next one? Can you go to next one? What is the answer of this? Consider the following functions from positive integers to real numbers. 10 root n, n log n, 100 by n. The correct arrangement of the above functions in the increasing order of asymptotic complexity is. So can you help me? Given functions can you arrange in the asymptotic complexity? Means I think is asking increasing order. Is asking increasing order. Can you go ahead? The problem is asking increasing order. Arrange the given people in the increasing order. Arrange the given people in the increasing order. Consider the following functions from positive integers to real numbers. 10 root n, n log n, 100 by n. The correct arrangement of the above functions in the increasing order. You have to write all these people in the increasing order. Please try to give answer. Please try to give answer. Everyone, what is the answer for this? Check, anyone can give answer. So I think everyone know among all the people, is the smallest one. Constant is the smallest. Normally, comparing all of them, constant is the smallest. But comparing constant is the smallest. Comparing the constant is the smallest. It is only 10, but it is 100 by 10. If n increasing, it will keep on decrease. N increasing, it will keep on decrease. So this is the smallest one, is the number 1, is the next one, next smallest one, number 2. Number 1 is 100 by n. Number 2 is 10. Number 2 is 10. It is a log n. So I think itself gone. Number 3. Can you help me now? So number 3, root n and n log n, it is a number 3. Log n will decrease a lot. It is a number 4. It is a number 5. So number 3 is log n. Number 4 is root n. Number 5 is n. So answer is B. Answer is B. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Small doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Yeah, can we move to next? So for the problem number, right, for the problem number 9, this is the answer. Answer is second option. Can you go to problem number? Yeah. So there is a rank improvement course going on. See this one. There is a rank improvement course going on. Every subject approximately 300 questions per subject. 300 questions we are going to explain, which are very, very important. Right? Total, overall, we are going to explain approximately 3,500 quality questions we are explaining. Not only that, approximately 100 plus tests will be available. Right? All India level, national level, 100 tests we are going to conduct. National level for all the subjects, right? Approximately 100 tests we are going to conduct. 100 tests we are going to conduct. 3,500 quality questions with the video solutions we are going to provide, live also, recording also. So those people who are serious about the right gate examination, this course will be really useful. If possible, you take. You will get the 36% discount. If possible, you take. Yeah, let's move to next one. Can you say what is the answer of this? Consider the following functions in the asymptotically increasing order. Some functions are given asymptotically increasing order, right? See this one. Some functions are given, you have to keep them in the increasing order. Some functions are given, you have to keep them in the increasing order. It is a nice problem. Can you try this? Arrange the following functions in the asymptotically increasing order. Can everyone try this? Most probably, the problems which I am covering, one of the thing will come in the examination. Most of the things whatever I am covering, one of the thing will come in the examination. The questions what I am explaining, mostly they will come in the exam. Similar questions are as it is, they may come. Can you try what is the answer of this? Arrange the following functions in asymptotically increasing order. Go ahead, everyone. Which one is the first minimum, next minimum, next minimum, next minimum, and so on, larger? First minimum, and so on, larger one. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. Yeah, let me give answer. Most probably you try. Let me give answer. Among all of them, which one is smaller? The question here is, among all of them, which one is smaller? Right? See this one. See everyone. Everyone see. Everyone see one time. Everyone see one time. So this is n power. This is n power. This is n power 0.999 into log n. So remember, this is a below log n. Below. N power 0.999 into log n. Below log n. It is a below log n. It is a below n. It is a below n. It is a below n. Right? It is a 1 power. It is 1.0001 whole power n. Which one is bigger? We have to calculate. I think by seeing the problem, I can say, these two people are look like a bigger. So can you see one time? Can you see one time? These two are really big or not? These two people are really big or not? Let's check one time. One is n power 0.999 like this, right? Into log n, one person. One more person is 1.0001 whole power n is another one. Apply both the side log n. Apply both the side log n, right? Apply both the side log n. Yeah, it became 0.9999 log n, right? So log of mn, log m plus log n, it's a log n. It's a log n. So bigger one is left hand side log n. Bigger one is log n, left hand side. But if you see the right side, right, log n into, sorry, n into log of, right, some 1 point something is there, right? But n is there. N is there, right? There is a 1 point. It may be 0 point something something something, but there is a n here, there is a log n here. There is a n here, there is a log n here. So n is bigger, everyone know. Comparing the F1 and F3, comparing F1 and F3, right? So everyone know which is bigger. 1.001 whole power n is bigger, right? So F1, F3 bigger, F1 is smaller. That's okay. Let's move to next story. Sir, F1 and n square, who is bigger? F1 and n square, who is bigger? Can you see this one? F1 is n power 0.999 into log n, right? F4 is going to be n square. N square can be written as n into n. So this n can be written as, right? I think if you observe clearly, yeah, clearly it is visible, right? You no need to do any work also. Clearly visible, it is a n into n, but it is a n power 0.99 into log n. 99 into log n. Everyone know. N square is definitely far better. Right? Next one. Some people are asking, sir, F1 and F2, who is bigger? F1 and F2, who is bigger? Let's check. F1, F2, who is bigger? It is a F1. If you see the F2, it's going to be so many, right? 1 followed by so many zeros followed by n. So if you observe clearly, this n can be written as n power 0.999 into n power 0.001. So I think this n power 0.99 will be calculated. This one. Log n and n power something is bigger. So remember, this one is bigger. So among all the people, by seeing the observation, among all the people, he is the smallest one. I think next smallest one is this. Next smallest one is this. Next one is this. Please let me know. Number 1 is F1. Number 2 is F2. Verify properly. Number 2 is F2. Number 3 is F4. Number 4 is F3. I think answer is D. Please let me know if anyone is not okay. Number 1 is F1. Number 2 is F2. Number 3 is F4. Number 4 is F3. If anyone having little doubt also, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Sir, this is not clear. You ask me, I will help. F4, F2. I will try once. F4 and F2. I will try once again. Can everyone see this? F4, F2, I am trying. Because if someone is asking some doubt, I am checking one time. F4 and F2. I may be wrong, so I will try one more time. What is the F4? N square. What is the F2? F2. Array man, right? F4 is greater, na? Of course, F4 is already there. F2 is smaller. Already we done, right? That is very simple. F4 and F2 very simple, na? Nothing there in that. One is n square. N square bigger, na? Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. You no need to hesitate. You no need to hesitate. Any doubt there, let me know. Answer is D. Any small doubt also there, let me know. Shiva, if you have doubt, let me know. Shiva, if you have doubt, let me know. Abhishek, you have any doubt, let me know. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next? Yeah, this is the next one. Can you try this? Can you try this? Suppose there are 4 sorted lists of n by 4 elements each. Suppose there are 4 sorted lists of n by 4 elements each. If we merge these lists into single sorted list of n elements, for the n is equal to 400, number of key comparisons in the worst case using an efficient algorithm is. There are 4 sorted lists of, right, n by 4 elements each, where n is 400. 400 by 4. 400 by 4 means 100. 100 elements each. There are 4 sorted lists, 100 elements each. You want to make it as single. You want to make it as single one. 4 sorted lists, each of size 100. You want to make it as single sorted list, which contain 400 people. The number of comparisons, how many, right? Because of it is already sorted. Because of they are already sorted, you can apply merge algorithm. Merge them. If you merge them, you will get the 200 people. 200 people you will get. But number of comparisons, worst case 199. One less. If you merge these two people, you will get the 200 elements. Okay. If you merge them, 200 people you will get. But number of comparisons are 199 worst case. Now next one. If you merge both of them, 200, 200, 400 you will get. If you merge them, number of comparisons are 299. One less. Sorry, 399. One less. Right? So here one less, 199. Here one less, 199. Here one less, 399. I think if you observe clearly, 200, 200, 400, 400 plus 400, 800. I think one less. I think which is going to be 797. 797. Add all of them. So first one, when you merge the first time, 199 comparison. When you merge the second time, 199 comparison. When you merge the third time, 399 comparison. Add all of them. 199 plus 199 plus 399. One less. One less. It is the 200 assume. It is the 200 assume. It is the 400 assume. Totally 800. But everyone know one less, 3 ones less, which is going to be 797. Answer is 797. Just merge algorithm. 797 is the answer. 797 is the answer. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Worst case comparisons they are asking. Yeah, exactly. M plus n minus 1. If at all these are m people, these are n people, number of comparisons are m plus n minus 1. Number of comparisons are m plus n minus 1. Number of comparisons are m plus n minus 1. Minus 1. So m is here 200, n is here 200, 200 plus 200, 400 minus 1, 399. Now here m value 100, n value 100, 100 plus 100 is 200 minus 1, 199. 200 minus 1, 199. Same story. Remember, four sorted lists, each of size 100 elements. If we merge these lists into single sorted list of n elements each, for the n is equal to 400 numbers, the key comparison in the worst case using efficient algorithm. Answer is 797. It is one of the interesting question. He can ask you numerical, he can ask you theoretical, he can ask you time complexity, he can ask anything. Simply it is a merge algorithm. Simply it is a merge algorithm. Simply it is a merge algorithm. Right. Next one. Yeah, can you try this? Can you try this one? It is also an interesting problem. Can you try this? Can you try this problem? Asha and Lata play a game in which Lata first thinks of a natural number between 1 and 1000. Asha must find out that number by asking last question. But Lata can only reply by saying yes or no. Assume that Lata always tell the truth. What is the least number of questions that Asha needs to ask, within which she can always find out the number Lata has thought? Can you try this problem? Very interesting problem. There are 1000 numbers. 1 to 1000 numbers are there. Asha and Lata both are playing a game in which Lata first thinks of a natural number between 1 and 1000. So Lata will think one number from 1 to 1000. 1, 2, 3. One number from 1 to 1000 Lata will think. Okay, let us assume that she thought number 500. Let us assume that she thought one number from 1 to 1000. Let us assume that it is a 500. Lata thought 500 number. Asha must find out that number by asking few questions. But Lata can only reply yes or no. Assume that Lata always tell the truth. What is the least number of comparisons that Asha needs to ask, within which she can always find out the right number? See this one. She can always find out. She can always find out. What is the least number of questions? Least number of questions, how many? Right? Asha should ask. Least number of questions, how many Asha should ask? Assume that Lata always tell the truth. What is the least number of questions that Asha should ask, within which she can always find out the number that Lata has thought? Right? Now see this one. So let us assume Lata thought 500. Lata thought 500. Now Asha started asking. Right? So the number which you thought is 500. Yes, you can stop it. If yes, stop it. But remember, this may be best case. This may be best case. But what he mentioned, within which she can always find out. Always means it is indirectly is asking worst case kind of thing. Minimum number of comparisons, how many? In the worst case, he is asking. If it is the only best case, always cannot work. Always, he is asking always. If you want to get clarity, always. So worst case incident is talking. Worst case minimum number of comparisons, how many? Worst case, minimum number of comparisons, how many? Let us assume that, let us assume that Lata thought 500. Now Asha started finding it. First Asha will ask, your number, whatever you thought is 500 or not? Yes, stop it. That is the best case. But he's asking always to find out. Means worst case is asking. Right? So let us assume that it is fail. Right? Let us assume it is fail. Now I will ask. I will ask him. Right? First question I will ask him. Your number, whatever you thought, is it less than 500? I will ask. If he say yes, I will go left side. Or if you say no, I will go right side. I will ask one question here. I will ask one question here. So the element which you thought is it 500? Is it 500 or less? He said less. I came here. Let us assume that. Let us assume that. Right? 300 it is. Assume. Now again I will ask him. The number which you thought is less than 300 or more than 300? He said that. He said that more than 300. So in this area. So let us assume that it is a 400. So the number which you thought is 400 or less than 400? He said less than 400. So I will go here. So always divide by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, which is going to be approximately log 1000 base 2. 1000 can be written as log 2 power 10 base 2, which is going to be 10. Can compare this. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Just to do binary search. Just to do binary search. See, he didn't say directly binary search, but it is a binary search problem. He didn't say directly binary search, but it is a binary search problem. He didn't say directly binary search, but it is a binary search problem. It's a very interesting one. Very interesting one. He didn't say binary search, but questions should be like this. Even we don't know what we have to do, how it is possible. You don't know how it will be done. Yeah, it's exactly binary search. You didn't say the binary search, but it is a binary search. Can anyone help you now? Can anyone help you now? Always not there. What is the least number of questions that Asha needs to ask, within which she can find out the number Lata has thought? Can you help me now? Suppose if the question is only best case, always not there. In the best case, least number of comparisons, how many? What is the answer? If you lucky, starting guess itself correct. Are you looking for a 500? Yes, stop it. Suppose if we say what is the least number of comparisons, least number of questions, in the best case they have to ask, then answer is 1. Then answer is 1. Read the problem. Always, he's saying always. Least he mentioned okay, but always I cannot give guarantee 1. Always I cannot give guarantee 1. It's a very nice question. It's a binary research. Yeah, let's go to next one. Yeah, if you are preparing for GATE 2026, GATE 2026 you are preparing. So one new batch is starting, right, for GATE CSC. If you are preparing for GATE CSC, in the new batch you can join for GATE CSC. If you are preparing for GATE DA, you can join for GATE DA in the 2026 batch. So there is offer is going on 36%. You can utilize it. Next one, if you are preparing for 2027, GATE CSC purpose, GATE DA purpose, or both. 2027 batch also starting, so 36% discount is available. You can use it. You can use this code. Yeah, let's go to next problem. This may be tricky. This may be tricky problem. Can you try this? It is going to be very tricky. The number of elements that can be sorted in log n time using heap sort is. It is a very tricky problem. The number of elements that can be sorted in log n time using heap sort. It's a very tricky problem. Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? It is a nice problem. Can you try this one? Very interesting. It's a very interesting problem. Can you try this? Yeah, let me try this. Let me try. Everyone see. Everyone see. Everyone see. Everyone. This is a very, very tricky problem. Everyone see. See correctly. The number of elements that can be sorted in order of log n time. The number of elements that can be sorted in order of log n time using heap sort. Let us assume x elements. Let us assume that x elements. Everyone, let us assume x elements. Careful. Let us assume x element. He is asking, what the question is asking? The number of elements that can be sorted in order of log n time using heap sort. Assume x element. But one question I want to ask you, heap sort time complexity. First understand this. Heap sort time complexity. See this one. Heap sort time complexity to sort n elements, n log n time. Will you agree this? Heap sort time complexity for n elements, n log n. Heap sort time complexity, n elements, n log n. This is the only thing which I know. About heap sort, I know only this. About heap sort, I know only this. Heap sort time complexity for n people, n log n time. That is the only thing which I know. Now see the problem. The number of elements, so the number of elements that can be sorted using order of log n time. The number of elements, so that can be sorted in theta of log n time using heap sort. That is a given problem. See, let us assume that x element. Can you help me now? Can I help you now? Heap sort normally will take n element to sort. Listen, n element to sort. It will take n log n time. Careful. N element to sort, heap sort will take n log n time. But x element to sort, how much time? See the answer? X element to sort, it is taking x element to sort, it is taking log n time. That is the thing what is given in the problem. N element to sort actually n log n. X element to sort, as he mentioned in the problem, log n time. But actually, x element to sort, it will take x log x time. N elements it is taking n log n, right? X element to sort x log x time. X log x time should be equal to log n. For which x value, right, it is equal to log n, we have to verify. X element to sort, right, is given log n time, but x element sorting actually required x log x. For which x value, right, it will become log n. We will try now. We'll try now. Let's keep the option A. If I keep the option A, x as 1 into log 1. Log 1 is 0. 1 into 0 becomes 0. So remember, it is a theta of log n. Theta means equal. Theta means equal. If I keep the first option, left will be 0, right will be log n. Both are not equal. So option A cannot be. Let's go to option B. Let's replace x by root log n. So if I replace x by root log n, it will become root log n. left side. Let's talk about left side. So if I replace x by root log n, log of root log n. So then it will become root log n into, right? So I think this will be written as log log power 1 by 2. Log power 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 will come down. So this will become root log n into 1 by 2 into log n. Right? But I want, remember, I want left side, right side should be both equal, but both are not equal here. So if I see the second option, if I keep second option, both left and right, both are not equal. Let's keep the third option. Everyone observe. Everyone see the third option. Replace x by log n by log n. Let's see what will happen. So x is log n by log n. Log of, again x by log n by log n. So if you see this one, log n by log n, right? Apply log m by n formula. So which will goes to log n minus log n, log of log n by log n. 3 times log. Already below 2 logs are there. Log m minus log n. Log n minus log n. Can you help me now? This is the bigger one, this is the smaller one. From the bigger one, if you subtract the smaller one, you don't lose anything. This became log n by log n into log n. From the bigger one, if you subtract the smaller one, you don't lose anything. Bigger one only will come. It became log n. Log n cancel. It will become log n. What I mean to say is left log n, right also log n. Right? So answer is option C, log n by log n. Log n by log n. Very simple answer. N elements n log n time x element x log x. But x log x is given as log n, which x value left right both will be equal. If I replace x by option C, then I think it is becoming both as equal. If I replace x by option C, then left side, right side both will be equal. So that is the answer for this. Remember, it is a theta. It is not big O, it is a theta. Theta means left side, right side should be equal. Theta means left side, right side should be equal. Theta means left side, right side should be equal. Let me know if anyone having little doubt also. Reddysir, I have this doubt. If you have doubt, you ask me. I will help you. If you have doubt, ask me. I will help you. X is this. Log x. X is this. Log is this. I think it is this formula. If you observe clearly, this is log of m by n formula, which is going to be log m minus log n. So same. So right, bigger one minus smaller one, bigger one. So log n by log n into log n. Log n cancel log n. Left right both are equal. It's one of the nice problem. It's one of the nice problem. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. This is one of the great problem. It's one of the best problem. Anyone having any objection? Are Shiva, you have any doubt? Pinky, you have any doubt? Are Abhishek, do you have any doubt? Are respond yaar. Are respond yaar. If you don't respond, what is the meaning of listening? How will you know you are listening or not? Are respond yaar, all the people. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Thank you, Pinky. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you go to next? Yeah, similar model. Similar model, one more problem. Can you try this? Similar model, one more problem. Can you try this? Similar problem, you can try one more. Yeah, can you try this? Can you try this? Assume that merge sort algorithm in the worst case take 30 seconds for an input of size 64. Which of the following most closely approximates the maximum input size of a problem that can be solved in 6 minutes? Can you try how you are going to solve this? Almost like a previous problem. It is almost like a previous problem. It is almost like a previous problem. Yeah. Let me try one small line. See this one. He is given some information. Let me use it. I know about merge sort only one thing. Listen. I know about merge sort only one thing. See. An element to sort. See this one. An element to sort. Merge sort algorithm. Merge sort algorithm. An element to sort. It will take n log n comparisons. This is the only thing which I know. An element to sort merge sort algorithm will take n log n comparisons. An element to sort merge sort algorithm will take n log n comparisons. Will you agree? Will you agree this? This is the only thing which we know. N element to sort n log n comparison. That is the reason merge sort time complexity became n log n time. Because n log n comparison, n log n comparisons. Every comparison will take some time. Every comparison will take some time. That is the reason it became n log n time complexity. That is the reason. We know only this. An element to sort n log n comparisons it will take. N log n comparisons it will take. Observe properly. Now see this. Now see this. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Everyone listen. 64 element to sort, it is taking 30 seconds. 64 element to sort, it is taking 30 seconds. Actually, 64 element to sort, 64 into log 64 base 2 comparisons. These many comparisons will take 30 seconds, which is going to be 64 into log 64 means 6. Log 2 base 2 1. These many comparisons will take 30 seconds. That means one comparison will take 30 by 64 into 6 seconds. Are you okay till now? See, I know only this. An element to sort n log n comparisons. That is the reason merge sort time complexity n log n. An element to sort n log n comparison. That is the reason merge sort time complexity n log n. So using that information, see how I derived. 64 element to sort 30 seconds. Actually, 64 element to sort. It is taking 30 seconds, okay. But actually, 64 into log 64 base 2 comparisons. That means 64 into 6 comparisons will take 30 seconds. One comparison will take 30 by 64 into 6 seconds. This is one comparison story. Now, what is the given problem? Let me check. Which of the following most closely approximates the maximum input size of a problem that can be solved in x minutes? Let me try. Let me try. In 6 minutes, right? What is the maximum size you can solve? Let us assume maximum input size. Let us assume that maximum input size you can solve in 6 minutes. Assume x. Then can you help me now? X element to sort, x element to sort, x element to sort, it is taking 6 minutes. Means 6 into 60 seconds. Means 360 seconds. X element to sort 360 seconds. 360 seconds. Try to understand. X element to sort 360 seconds. But actually X element to sort 360 seconds. But actually X into log X base 2 comparisons will take 360 seconds, right? Which is nothing but see this one, X into log X base 2. One comparison will take 30 by 64 into 6, right? This seconds is equal to this second 360. For which X value both are equal, find out. For which X value both are equal, find out. X log X comparisons will take 360 seconds. But one comparison you know very well, which is this, substitute. So X into log X base 2 into 30 by 64 into 6 seconds will take 360 seconds. For which X value both? Let me substitute X value 512. Let's see what happened. If X value 512, it became 512 into log 512 base 2, log 2 power 9 base 2, so 9 into 30 by 64 into 6. Right side is going to be 360 already there. Let's check both are equal or not. 6 ones, 6 fives. This is 2 power 6. It is a 2 power 9. 9, 6 if you remove, it is a 2 cube. This is cancelled. Now it became, right, it became, if you observe clearly, 8 into 9 into 5 is equal to 360. Verify properly. So I think it is a 5 ones, 5 sevens, 35, 5 twos. 8, 9, 72, 8, 9, 72, I think same. So X value 512, they both will be equal. X will be 512, they both will be equal. Yeah, I think some people didn't get it. Listen everyone, some people didn't get it. I'm sure you didn't get it. Some people didn't get it. Can you see this one? Some people didn't get it. I'm very sure you didn't get. See correctly. This is the thing what happened. X element to sort this much time. See the answer. X element to sort this much time. Actually, X element to sort X log X base 2 comparisons needed, which will take this much time. But one comparison, these many comparison, right? One comparison will take this much. See, one comparison cost I already calculated. Substitute here. Substitute here. When you substitute, right, x log x base 2 into 30 by 64 into 6 seconds is equal to 360 seconds. Which x value, left side, right side, both will be equal. I substituted x value 512. I substituted 512. When I substituted 512, both the side it became equal. It is a 360. Right side also you see 360. I done the calculation. I got to know both left and right both are equal. Check properly. If you substitute x value 512, left side, right side both are equal. Now the question here is, why are you substituted this? Listen, the question here is going to be, why you substituted this here? If I don't substitute, then why is given this value? Assume I didn't substituted. Why this value is given? Let me know. In the previous problem, this is not given. In the previous problem, this is not given. I didn't substituted. Now this is given, I substituted. Otherwise, why is given? Please let me know. What is the use of this part? If you don't want to substitute, what is the use of this part? In the previous problem, this part is not given. In the case of the heap sort, this part not given. If not given, I cannot use it. Because if it is given, I am using it. Let me know if anyone still facing the problem. If anyone says, still I have a problem, sir. Reddysir, still I have a problem, let me know. Anyone, it is a tricky. I am sure it is a tricky. I am really sure it is a tricky. If anyone say you are not getting, don't blame yourself. It is a really tricky problem. I done many times. It looked like easy to me. It looked like easy to me. So if you substitute x value 512, this became 512 log 512 base 2 into 30 by 64 into 6 is equal to 360. If you calculate properly, both are equal. In the previous problem, see, here first part there, here second part there. In the previous problem, only first part there. Only second part. First part is not there. Only second part there. Right? If you want, you can see. See, problem is very small. In this problem, first part not there. First part not there. So I done directly second part. But here, first part also there, second part also there. Here, first part also there, second part also there. Right? Perfect. Perfect. In the next class, we will see remaining problem. One new batch starting for a DSA course. For placements. If at all any one of your friend want to start the DSA course, they can start. There is a 36% discount going on. They can use it. DSA course for placements. Right? Me and Google developer going to take that particular batch. See you with more problems in the tomorrow's class. Thank you so much. Don't miss it. We done many problems today. Many problems. Today we done many problems. I think I started problem number 8. I started with the problem number 8. After 8th problem is over, I went to the 9th problem, right? So next one, I think this one. See, if you are serious about GATE examination, this course is really going to be useful to you. Your marks will grow. Your marks will going to be increased. 80 marks, almost 80 marks. If you listen, right? If you follow all the lectures of rank improvement course, you are going to get up to 80 marks. You may get up to 80 marks because 3,500 quality questions we are going to explain. 100 plus national level 100 plus tests will be there. They will be really useful to you. It is going to be beneficial to you. It is the 10th problem we done. Next 11th problem. Next 12th problem. right? So 2026 people can join this batch. 2027 people, they can join this batch. Next one, 13th problem. Next one, 14th problem. Yeah, I think approximately 10 problems we done. Approximately 10 problems we done. So please take care. Merge sort is based on the comparisons or moves, right? If you want, you can write moves also. See, comparisons and moves differ by Abhishek, only plus or some constant. Moves are m plus n, comparisons are m plus n minus 1. Asymptotically, they both are equal. Thank you so much for asking, Abhishek. They both are asymptotically equal. Mathematically not equal, asymptotically equal. That is the reason you can say comparison, you can say moves also. If you want, you can say moves also. If you want, you can say moves also. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, everyone. Good night.